Hello dear students, in the last part of the video, that is in part 4, we have covered the questions related to the surface areas of the cylinder. Students, till now what we have covered in this chapter, we have covered the surface area of cube, cuboid and volumes of cube and cuboid. Okay, means the cube and cuboid, everything we have studied about cube and cuboid, and also we have solved questions related to that in exercise 13.1 and 13.5. okay, in this part what we are going to see, in this part we are going to see the questions related to the volumes of cylinder, okay, and that is in exercise 13.6. so students, 13.1 exercise we have completed, 13.5 we have completed, 13.2 exercise we have completed, and in this part of the video we are going to solve the questions of exercise 13.6. okay, so coming to the first question of exercise 13.6, the question is: the circumference of the base of cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter. okay, circumference is given, it is 132 centimeter, and its height is also given, height is 25 centimeter. The question is, how many liters of water can it hold? okay, how many liters of water can it hold? So students, before solving this question, let us know about the relation between, see, the measurements are given in centimeter, okay, and the question is asked about liter, that how many liters of water it can hold. So students, basically the relation between meter and liter, it is 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, and the relation between liter and centimeter, it is 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Just remember these two always, okay, because in the question it may ask in the liter or it may ask in centimeter cube. So basically here it is given the circumference and the height. okay, so we all know that what is the formula of circumference. The circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, means the base. okay, whatever the cylindrical vessel will be there, okay, its base and top will always be in the circular form. So if it is circular and it suppose its radius is r, then its circumference will be what? 2 pi r. okay, and it is given that the value of this circumference is 132. So let us try to know that what will be the r. R will be 132 upon 2 pi. okay, r will be 132 upon 2 pi. After that we have to find the volume. So volume of the cylinder, the formula for volume is what? Pi r square h. This is the formula of volume of cylinder. So pi into r, r is what? 132 upon 2 pi into 132 upon 2 pi. Why I have written 2 times? Because it is r square, okay, and h is what? 25. This we have to solve. okay, so see students, here 1 pi and pi will be cancelled out, okay, and what else is there? 132 into 132, and here it is 2 into 2. okay, let us try to solve it. 132 into 132, and here it is 4 into the value of pi is what? The value of pi is 22 by 7. okay, and here it is 25. So when you will solve it, what you will get? 4 3s are 12, and then 4 3s are 12, means it will cancel it in 33. okay, 33 times. 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, means here it is 3, okay, and here it is 75. So when you will solve it, it will be 3 into 25, that is 75 into 132. Okay, and what else is left? This 7. Okay, this 7 will go upside, so it will be 7 upon what is left? Only 2 na? Only 2 is left, so just cancel it out also. So it will be 2 6 are 12, means 66. Okay, so it is 75 into 66 into 7. When you will solve this question, students, means when you will solve it, this 75 into 66, just multiply it 7 into 5, that will be 7 5s are 35, and then 7 7s are 49, 49 3, 5 2 5. So 5 to 5 into 66. Roughly that 525 and 66 will be, what value will be there? 525 and 66. So 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 3 15, and 6 5s are 30. Okay, 31. So it is 0 5 1 3. Okay, so it will be 0 5 6 4 3 3 4 6 5 0. The value of 525 into 66 is what? Okay, here I am writing the value of 525 into 66 is 34650. Okay, now we have to tell the answer in liter. Students, we have to tell the answer in liter. Okay, here I have told you that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So if we want to know the volume in liter, we have to divide it by 1000, and when we divide it by 1000, it will be, the decimal is here, it will shift 3 times, so 34.65 liter will be the answer. Here it is in centimeter cube, and when you will divide it by 1000 to change in liter, it will be 34.65, okay, 0, that is in liter. So students, this is the solution. What I have done, circumference is given. Circumference means the base, the circumference of the base, it is 2 pi r. So here we have written r is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 132, and from here we have found the value of r, that is 132 upon 2 pi. Okay, after that we want to know the volume. Volume is pi r square h. We have just put the value and solved it, and at last we have got the value of the volume in liter. Okay, so this much water can be adjusted in that cylindrical vessel. Just pause the video and note it down. Coming to the next question, students. Next question is, the inner diameter of cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. Okay, inner diameter, so suppose we have written it by small d, it is 24 centimeter. Okay, and outer diameter, capital D, suppose it is capital D, it is given 28 centimeter. Okay, the length of the pipe, so students, length of the pipe, okay, means suppose the pipe is like this. Okay, the pipe is like this. Okay, so basically the length will be the height of the cylinder. Okay, whatever the length will be there, suppose it is the height of the cylinder. Like this. Okay, so height of the cylinder means the length of the cylinder is given 35 centimeter. Okay, so find the mass of the pipe. We have to find the mass of the pipe. Okay, we have to find the mass of the pipe, and it is given that if 1 centimeter cube of wood has 0.6 gram. Okay students, so see here the pipe, wooden pipe is there. Okay, wooden pipe is there like this. Okay, you can see that it is like hollow cylinder. It is like what? It is like hollow cylinder. Okay, and we have to find the mass of this pipe. So firstly student, we have to tell that what will be the volume of this material, means wood is there. Okay, so firstly we will tell that what will be the volume of this material. Okay, means firstly we will find the volume of this shaded region. Okay, and what is the shaded region? Shaded region is the hollow cylinder. Okay, so basically we will find firstly that what will be the volume of hollow cylinder. Okay, before that the diameter is, if the diameter is 24, then what will be the radius? A small radius, it will be 12 centimeter. It is internal radius. Okay, and what will be external radius? That is capital R, it is 14 centimeter, just half of the diameter. Okay, length means height. Okay, length is given 35 centimeter. So h is what? 35 centimeter. So we know very well the formula for volume of hollow cylinder. Formula is pi r square minus r square into h. This is the formula for volume of hollow cylinder. Okay, so pi is what? Pi is 22/7. R square minus r square. You can do one thing, you can like what? You can write it like r plus r and r minus r, because you know very well that if it is a square minus b square, then it will be r plus r and r minus r. Okay, and h is there, h is what? 35. So firstly we will put the value 22/7. R plus r will be what? Small r plus capital R, it will be 26. Okay, and r minus r will be what? 14 minus 12, that is 2, and it is 35. Okay, so it is 22 into 26 into 2 into 35. 7 5s are 35. 5 2s are 10. Okay, 10 means it will be 22 into 260. Are you getting this? See, 7 5s are 35. So here it is 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 into 26, 260. And here it is 22. Now, 22 into 0, 0. 22 into 6. So it will be 132. So carry will be 13. 22 2s are 44. 44 and 13. It will be 57. So 5720 centimeter cube will be the volume of this wooden pipe. Okay. Now we have to tell mass, that what will be the mass of this wood. So students, here you can see that 1 centimeter cube of wood, 1 centimeter cube of wood weighs 0.6 gram. Okay, 1 centimeter cube of wood weighs 0.6 gram, it is given in the question. So 5720 centimeter cube wood weighs, कितना हो जाएगा? 5720 इंटू 0.6. ठीक है, तो देखो यहाँ पे कितना हो जाएगा, अगर हम इसको 6/10 लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, इसको आप क्या करिए 5720 इंटू 6/10 लिख दीजिए, फिर मल्टीप्लाई करो. 6 2 12, 6 7 42 and 1 43, 6 5 30 34. Okay, so basically upon 10, so basically it will be 6 2 12 and so basically it will be 343 2, okay, 0 and 0 will be cancelled out, so this much gram is there, okay, this much gram is there. So if you want to find it in kilogram, you have to divide it by 1000, so 343 kilogram, 3432 kilogram will be there, okay. One more time, just try to understand it. Firstly, what we have done, we have found the volume of this wooden pipe, okay, the volume of the material, volume of the wood, okay, and that is 5720 centimeter cube. After that, the relation is given that 1 centimeter cube wood will have 0.6 gram. So what will be the mass of this wood? So if it is having 5720 centimeter cube volume, so we have multiplied 5720 into 0.6 and it comes 3.432 gram, okay, 3.432 kilogram. Here it is in the gram, and if we want to find it in kilogram, so we have to divide it by 1000, and when you will divide it by 1000, decimal will shift 3 place, so it will be 3.432 kilogram, okay. So just pause the video and note it down. Coming to the next question, students, question number 3. The question is, a soft drink is available in 2 packs. First, a tin can with a rectangular base of length 5 centimeter, width 4 centimeter and having a height of 15 centimeter, okay. The second one is a plastic cylinder with circular base, diameter 7 centimeter, height 10 centimeter. Which container has greater capacity and by how much? So students, this question is very easy, okay. The 2 types of soft drink cans are there, soft drink packs are there. One is in the form of cuboid, okay, and the second one is in the form of cylinder. So you have to tell that which one will have the greater capacity, okay. Dimensions are given, so only you have to find the volume of the cuboid, the cuboidal pack and the volume of the cylindrical pack, okay. All the dimensions are given, required dimensions are given, okay. So question number 3 you will solve by yourself. Question number 4 is, if the lateral surface area of the cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square, okay, and its height is 5, so what will be the radius and its volume? Students, try to understand it. Lateral surface area of cylinder will be what? I have told you that in the circular shape, lateral surface area is what? It is none other than curved surface area. Curved surface area is what? The lateral surface area of the cylinder, okay. And I have told you the formula of this is what? 2 pi RH, okay. So 2 pi RH is given, 2 pi RH is given 94.2 centimeter square, okay, in which H is given 5 centimeter, okay. 2 pi RH is given, H is given. So students, can you find the value of R from here? Just put the value of H in this equation, okay. From there you can find the value of radius. Put the value of pi, just put 3.14, because in this question it is said that just put the value of pi 3.14, okay. So here you will put the value of pi as 3.14, H is 5 centimeter. So you can find the value of radius from here, okay. And if you will find the radius of this cylinder from here, so the first part is to find radius, that you can find, and then volume. So you will apply the formula of volume, that is pi r square H, okay. So question number 4, just write it as a hint and that you will solve by yourself. Now we will see the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is what? Question number 5, that it costs rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. Okay. The cost of painting the inner curved surface area of cylinder whose depth is 10 meter is given 2200 rupees. If the cost of painting at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, cost per unit कितना है? Cost per unit is rupees 20 per meter square. Okay, so we have to find the first part. We have to find inner curved surface area, then we have to find the radius of the base, and then we have to find the capacity of the vessel. 3 questions are there. Okay, so students, firstly try to know that how we get the total cost. When we get the total cost, when the unit cost is multiplied by area. Okay, suppose some area is given, okay, and unit cost is given. I am just telling you the example of this board. Okay, suppose this board is to be whitewashed. Suppose this board is to be whitewashed. Okay, and if I say that the area of this board is 10 meter square. If I say the area of this board is 10 meter square and the cost of 1 meter square is rupees 5 per meter square, then what will be the total cost? The total cost will be 10 5s are 50. Okay, but in this question what it is given? Total cost is given, unit cost is given, you have to find the area. Firstly we'll find what? The area. Okay, so inner curved surface area, it will be total cost upon unit cost. Total cost is given rupees 2200 and inner unit cost is given rupees 20 per meter square. 0 and 0 will be cancelled out, it will be 110 meter square. It is what? It is the inner curved surface area of this cylindrical vessel. Okay, this is the inner curved surface area. In the second one you have to find the radius. So we know very well the inner curved surface area means 2 pi RH. It is equal to 110. So 2 pi is what? Pi is 22 by 7. R we have to find. H is given 10 and this is equal to 110. So this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled out. 11 to the 22. Okay, 2 to the 4. Here R will be what? This 7 will go in the numerator and this 2 into 2 4, that will be here. So 7 upon 4. Okay, means 1.725. 1.725 is the radius of this cylindrical vessel. Okay, and then in the third part we have to find capacity of the vessel. Capacity is what? Capacity is volume. So volume is pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7. Okay, r is what? Let us take 7 by 4 value. 7 by 4 into 7 by 4, pi r square into h. H is what? 10. Okay, 1 7 and 7 will be cancelled out. This 4, it will cut it, this 22 in 11 times, 2 is left, and suppose this 2 is cut in 5 times. So 11 7s are 77, and 77 fives are, it will be 385 upon 4. Okay, so 385 upon 4, it will be 385 upon 4, it will be 4 nines are 36. Okay, then 2 and 5, 4 6 are 24, and then 4 2s are 8, and 4 5s are 25. So 96.25, and this is coming in meter cube. Okay, this is the capacity of this cylindrical vessel. If we want to find it in liter, so we will say that 96.96 okay 0.25 kiloliter, because students, 1 meter cube is equal to what? 1000 liter, and 1000 liter can also be written as 1 kiloliter. Okay, so 96.25 kiloliter is the capacity of this cylindrical vessel. So just try to understand what I have done in the question. Total cost was given, height of the cylinder was given, and cost per unit was given. Okay, so from here we have found the value of internal curved surface area, total cost upon unit cost. So that is 2200 upon 20. Okay, and that is 110 meter square. After that we have to find the radius. So how we'll find the radius? That is inner curved surface area, na? So formula will be what? 2 pi RH. Okay, so 2 pi RH is 110. So from here we have found the value of R, that is 7 by 4. Okay, in the decimal it will be 1.725. Okay, now in the third part it is asked about capacity. Capacity will be what? Volume. Volume is equal to pi R square H. Pi is 22 by 7, R square means 7 by 4 into 7 by 4, and into H, H is given 10. Okay, after solving all these we will get what? 96.25 kiloliter. Okay, so just pause the video and note it down. Coming to the next question, students. The next question is, the capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is equal to 15.4 liters. Okay, how many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? Now try to understand. In this question, capacity is given in liters, okay, and height is given in meter. So if capacity is given, means we can say that the volume is given 15.4 liter. Okay, so if we change in centimeter, so I have told you that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So if we change in meter, so it will be, sorry, centimeter, it will be 15,400 centimeter cube. Height is given what? 1 meter. So if it is 1 meter, we can also change it in centimeter, and it is 100 centimeter. So what we have to find here? We have to find the metal sheet that would be required to make it. Okay, it is closed. So students, what metal sheet would be required to make a closed cylindrical vessel? Okay, so we have to find here what? We have to find the total surface area. Okay, we have to find here the total surface area. And what is the total surface area of the cylinder? It is 2 pi r plus h. Okay, but here students, we don't know that what is the radius. Okay, so firstly what we will do, we'll find the value of r from here. Pi r square h is 15,400 centimeter cube, in which h is 100 centimeter. So from here we will find the value of r. Okay, after finding the r, we will put that r in this equation. Okay, so this is the method how we will solve this question. So just note it as a hint and you will solve this question by yourself. Just note it down. Capacity means volume is given and the formula for volume is pi r square h. We have changed liter into centimeter cube, okay, and meter into centimeter. Height was given in meter, so we have changed it into centimeter. Now we have to tell that what will be the total surface area, okay. And from here when you will solve it, your answer will be in centimeter square. If you want to change that in meter square, you have to divide that by 10,000, because 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So 1 centimeter square will be what? 1 upon 10,000 meter square. Okay. So this is how we will solve this question. Coming to the next question. Next question, question number 7 is what? Question number 7 is, a lead pencil consists of a cylinder of wood with a solid cylinder of graphite filled in the interior. Okay, you all know very well that how a pencil is there. Okay, hollow cylinder type wood is there, and in that one graphite is there in the cylindrical form. Okay, the diameter of the pencil is 7 millimeter and the diameter of the graphite is 1 millimeter. If the length of the pencil is 14 centimeter, find the volume of the wood and that of the graphite. Okay, so if we make a broad figure of pencil, okay, this is the broad figure of pencil, then it will be like this. Okay, this is what? This is graphite, and this is what? This is wood. Okay, so this is the broad figure of a pencil. So here what you have to find, if you want to find the volume of the wood, what you will do? You will find the volume of hollow cylinder, okay, where capital D is given 7 millimeter, which is the diameter of the wooden part, okay, and small d, it is given 1 millimeter. So from here you will find capital R and small r, and after that you will apply the formula of volume of hollow cylinder. Okay. In the next part you have to solve the volume of the graphite. So after finding the radius of, it is given that the diameter of graphite is 1 millimeter, so its radius will be 0.5 millimeter. Okay, and from here you can find the volume of this graphite. Okay, means you have to find the interior volume of this. Okay, so this question also you can do by yourself. Coming to the last question of this exercise, question number 8. The question is, a patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of 7 centimeter. Okay, if the bowl is filled with the soup of height 4 centimeter, how much soup the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 students? So students, if we talk about one patient of the hospital, the amount of soup that is given to the one patient of the hospital is, the soup is given in the cylindrical bowl, okay, and whose diameter is 7 centimeter. So basically diameter is given 7 centimeter and height of the soup, okay, means height of the bowl which is filled by soup is 4 centimeter. So firstly we'll find what? Volume, okay, that what amount of soup is given to one patient. So if diameter is D, okay, small d, then its radius will be 7 by 2 centimeter. So volume will be pi r square h. Okay, Pi is what? Pi is 22 by 7. R is what? R is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. And H is what? H is 4. Okay, so here you can see that 7 and 7 will be cancelled out. 2 2s are 4, 4 will also be cancelled out. 22 7s are 154. So 154 centimeter cube soup is given to the one patient. Okay, and to prepare the soup for 250 patients, what we have to do? We have to multiply it by 250. Okay, so 250, 154, and students, if you want to know in liter, so we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So if we want to change it into the liter, we have to divide it by 1000. Okay, so divide it by 1000 and write it in the liter. Okay, 250 divide 1000 in 4 times, and this 4 will divide this. 4 3s are 12. Okay, 3 and 4, 4 8s are 32, and 4 5s are 20. So 38.5 liter soup should be prepared, okay, to give 250 patients of that hospital. Okay, so this is the method how we will solve this question. What I have done here, once again I am going to tell you. See, firstly I have found that how much soup is given to the one patient. Okay, for that we have found the volume, and volume is 154 centimeter cube. Okay, after that the question is that how much soup should be given to 250 patients. For that we have found it by multiplied by 250, and if we want to change in liter, okay, if we want to tell the answer in liter, that how many liters of soup should be prepared for 250 patients, for that we have divided it by 1000. So students, this is how we have completed exercise 13.6. Our next topic will be cone. Okay, and in the next part we will know everything about cone, and we will solve exercise 13.3. Okay, so thank you students, thank you everyone.